So what I found most appealing about Sell Yourself Like a CEO is the simplicity and the clarity of the examples, the lessons that are included in the book. This is a very digestible, easy to relate to, and easy to understand, almost in a Reader's Digest-like manner, that is really accessible for anybody who aspires to be a senior leader and a CEO. Oftentimes, the biggest misconception that folks have is how they go about selling themselves or clearly articulating what it is they want to be when they grow up as a senior leader. And this book makes it very, very clear that you need to have a clear 5-10-year plan of what you want to be. You need to make sure that you are authentic in translating that plan and sharing that plan with others. And very candidly, that you need to be your strongest advocate as to why you want to be a senior leader, why you want to be a CEO, and the path that you envision to get there. I think the book very clearly articulates that. One piece of advice that is included in How to Sell Yourself Like a CEO that I wish I had known earlier in my career is how to clearly articulate what you as a leader have contributed to a business, what impact you have had. And the book highlights the STAR method as one potential example, one potential way to do that. But I think sometimes as leaders, we sell ourselves short in how we have contributed or made an impact, and how that can have an impact on our future trajectory, our aspirations to be a bigger leader, a CEO. I wish I had known that earlier in my career and learned how to compellingly articulate that in interviews. One fear that I have experienced, and I'm sure others have experienced, that Sell Yourself Like a CEO clearly highlights is the importance of being authentic and bold in interviews and articulating what it is you want to be. I know I have oftentimes felt a little bit bashful or not wanting to come across as potentially arrogant and saying, this is what I want to be in 5 years or 10 years. I think the book very clearly highlights why it's important to have a very clear vision and to be bold, authentic, but bold at the same time in articulating and sharing that vision with others. So I would absolutely recommend and highly recommend Sell Yourself Like a CEO to anyone who has aspirations to senior leadership, particularly those earlier in their career who are looking for tips and valuable insights as to how you can be compelling in upcoming interviews. Highly recommend the book.